Hello, my name is Thomas Blundell, Marketing Associate for Croda Smart Materials. Our team has recently launched our new website with a revamped product finder containing products across our old polymer additives, coatings and polymers, and advanced materials website. We appreciate that our product portfolio contains many different options, so we have included a wide range of filters with options that you can select to find the right solution for your needs. The first filter, Brands, contains all of the trade names of our products. If you are a returning customer and you know, for instance, that you are looking for acrylamide or a Priamine, you may want to use this filter as an option. If you are searching for a select product, you may want to use the search bar at the top. Our second filter, Application, allows you to see all of the products that are relevant for that specific application. For an example, if you are an adhesives manufacturer, you may want to select adhesives and sealants to see all of the products that are relevant to you. The third filter, Product Effect, lists out all of the effects that our products can offer. For example, anti-static, dispersion, or surface modification. The chemistry filter shows our split between additives, building blocks, other products, and our specialty surfactants. Under these categories, you will find the different chemicals that we offer. Here, you can select our arusamide additives. You may be interested in our polyol building blocks, or you may be interested in our non-ionic surfactants. The system that you are trying to find a solution for is also very important. Your system lists various dispersion particle types, solvent systems, and polymeric systems such as epoxies, polycarbonates, and polyurethanes. You can also filter by the physical form that the product is supplied in, and our new sustainability tab allows the customer to refine their choice by the renewable carbon content. We also recommend using 3 to 4 filters in combination when looking for a specific solution. When you have filtered down to specific products, you can enter the product pages. This will contain useful information about the product, for example, the features and benefits, the application, the functions and effects, your system, physical form, and the typicals. For example, here we can see the volume resistivity that this product can bring. If you are happy with the product, you can add this directly to your basket and order a sample. Alternatively, you can add this to your favourites. You must have an account to do this, so if you have not done so already, please register for the site. Clearing the filters is also very easy with the reset button located underneath the list of filters that you have selected. We hope that this makes it easy for you to find the right solution to fit your needs. And if not, you can always use our live chat function, use the contact form at the end of every page, or reach out to your local sales representative for more information.